Here's how to disassemble your Squirrel Buster Plus. We'll start with the covers. So push on it and turn it counterclockwise. Open it, unhook it, put it aside. Then you should locate two triangles on the tube right here. One here, one there. Slide your fingers in the seat ports right under those triangles. You will feel two tabs inside. So push them in and up, and the tube will go up. Just like that. Remove the skirt. Then underneath you will find a nut. So just unscrew it. Like that. Now we will remove the perches, screw them in. This way you can remove the cardinal ring. And now if you want to remove the perches as well, unscrew them all. And take the rest of it apart, like that.